Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, how do I change my phone number in TikTok? To do this, you go to the TikTok application, then click on your profile. Now click on the top 3 bars and select Setting and Private. Now here you click on Account. Here you have User Information, select, and here we have Phone Number. We click on Change Phone or Unlink Phone. I click Change Phone, click Continue. We will be asked to enter a new phone number, enter it, asked for a code, then enter this code that came to us in Sums, and that's it. Our phone number changes in TikTok. So nothing complicated. Here is such a way, and everyone literally in a couple of seconds can change the phone number in TikTok. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you later.